Volkswagen is refreshing the Atlas family members for the 2024 version year, which includes the 2024 Atlas Cross Sporting Activity. The Cross Sporting Activity is the two-row version of the Atlas and also features a sportier coupe-style roofline. Here's what we know concerning VW's updated SUV. The Atlas Cross Sport was first released in 2020 and also exists as a standalone model regardless of being mechanically similar to the basic Atlas as well as sharing a trim structure. Its upcoming Revitalize for 2024 marks the first substantial model year upgrade given that Cross Sport's inception. The 2024 Cross Sport's overhauled outside includes a larger lack grille for an extra aggressive look, as well as the front fascia has been modified to closely mirror the style language of the smaller sized Taos. Especially, an LED light bar currently beautifies the front end. This will produce an impact of a solitary unbroken LED on trims above the base version, which feature updated LED daytime running lights. A lit-up VW logo is additionally offered on non-base trims. The Cross Sport obtains a much longer looter and an entirely new vehicle choices for 2024, varying from 18 to 21 inches. An extra aggressive rear diffuser is additionally being included in aids separate the Cross Sporting Activity and the normal Atlas. In addition to the outside visual adjustments, VW is giving the Cross Sporting Activity a rather considerable overhaul. Products are upgraded throughout, especially a leatherette dash and also readily available quilted natural leather seats. The door trim has been redesigned to create an unbroken look with the dash for a much more premium presentation. Likewise, common across the Atlas Cross Sporting Activity schedule for 2024 is VW's IQ.DRIVE Chauffeur Help Suite. It features onward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane keep assist, and also hands-on semi-automatic driving. Flexible cruise control as well as a head-up display are optional. Perhaps the most remarkable adjustment to the Cross Sporting Activity schedule would be under the hood. The 2023 Atlas as well as 2023 Atlas Cross Sporting Activity have two engine options, a 235 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder, and also the optional 276 horsepower VR6. The VR6 features an one-of-a-kind staggered V-engine layout, which has actually been a go-to for bigger variation VW engines for years. The 2024 design, nonetheless, will come with simply one powertrain option. A brand new 269 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder is the only engine provided in the refreshed Cross Sporting Activity. In spite of result in between the two outbound engines, hauling ability remains at 5,000 pounds. Other efficiency and fuel economic situation information has yet to be released.